Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing good. Today we're going to talk about 7 psychological power words which you can use in your daily conversations. Before we get to that, I want you to listen to this statement. Please. Please try to imagine now that you can believe in yourself because you deserve to. Thank you for believing in yourself. Now when you get to the end of this video, you will actually understand why we use this statement. But for now, let's get straight to action and let's see which are the 7 power words that you can use. The first power word is the word because. Every time you want to give someone a reason, use the word because. Let's say you're late to office. So instead of saying that there was a lot of traffic and I was stuck in traffic today and I'm late now, instead of saying that, you can say I am in late to office because I was stuck in traffic. You will sound more genuine when you use the word because. The second power word is now. Every time you say now, it brings your listener to the current moment. And that is what exactly you will use now for. Every time you say now, you will grab your audience's attention. Now, let's move on to the third keyword. Imagine. That is our third keyword. Every time you say imagine, it opens up the gates of your listener's imagination. Now, let's say you have an audience member who does not agree with a certain idea of yours. So, in this case, you can put across your idea by starting with the sentence with imagine. Imagine that the earth is flat and not round. Imagine. The fourth keyword is please. Every time you say please, you're pleading to the listener, you're pleading to your audience. So you are not demanding something from them, or you are not just imposing your point of view. You are saying please. It makes the listener or your audience more receptive to what you're saying. Please. The fifth keyword is thank you. Everyone likes to be appreciated, and that is why you should use thank you. But not just thank you. Because if you say just thank you, that's very commonly used, right? Everyone says thank you. Someone gives you a ticket, you say thank you. It's very commonly used. When it sounds genuine is if you accompany your thank you with a reason. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening to my voice. Thank you for your reason. Now the sixth power word is you. You are the spotlight. You are the reason for making this video. If you see, I am turning the spotlight towards you, not towards myself. And everyone likes when I speak about you. You is a very powerful word. So, in your conversations, try to include more of the word you. Now, the seventh power word is believe. Believe or belief is a very powerful tool, isn't it? Whenever you're believing, it may or may not be a fact, but it is your belief. You can use this whenever you are saying a statement which you're not sure about. Let's say you are a coder and your boss says, so, will that code work? And instead of saying, oh, I think it will work, you can say, I believe it will work. You may be wrong, but you believe. You will come across as more confident every time you say believe. So that's it, folks. Those were the 7 power words. Because, now, imagine, please, thank you, believe. 7 power words which you can use on an everyday basis to make your communication and your thoughts more impactful. Now let's have a look at the statement that we said earlier. Please try to imagine now that you can believe in yourself because you deserve to. Thank you for believing in yourself. It all makes sense now, doesn't it? Well, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, if you have any feedback or any questions for us, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to us and Keep in touch, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.